Hello everyone, welcome back to MBA Beginner course. In today's video, we will learn how to enter numbers in Excel. This might sound simple, but there are some important things you should know how to avoid mistakes. Before we proceed further, let me remind you, if you missed any of our previous class on Excel, you can get those videos by clicking I icon above, or you can directly go to our playlist section and you will find all the relevant videos there. If you want to master this Excel course, then your basics must be clear, and I am optimistic that you people are noting down all the important points. So, let's get started with today's topic. In this video, we will learn how to enter numbers in our Excel worksheet. We all know that this is called as worksheet, right? So, now uh, we are going to enter more information about the employees of our organization. Let's say we want to add salary section to our database. So I am going to click F1, cell F1, and I am going to start writing the salary of Rahul, which is for example 25,000 rupees, for example. Right, as soon as I click enter, you can see Excel did something different, right, from what it has done so far. It aligned the content of the cell F1 to the right side of the cell, whereas it was aligning the text values. You can see it was aligning the text values to the right side, sorry, to the left side of the cell, while as it is aligning numbers to the right side of the cell. Here in F1, Excel is recognizing that we're entering numbers, right, and not text. So it aligns it with the right edge of the cell. So here we learned that numbers are aligned to the right by default and text values to the left. These are the text values. Every like for example, every value till now was the text value. This is the first uh, number value, right? So why it happened? It happened because it is easier for a human brain to understand text if it is on the left side, and to understand numbers if it's on the right side. Now let's continue to put the rest of the data in this column F. Let's suppose, for example, in this we will be putting 22,000, enter 21,000, now put enter 23,000 and 22,000 again. This is the salary. Right, now before we move on, let's understand how we can quickly delete content in our cell. So I want to delete the data from cell. Let's suppose, for example, which cell we can take. Let's suppose C4. Okay, so I want to delete data from the cell C4. So I will click on the cell C4 using my mouse, and then I will press delete key, right, or I can press backspace key, right, to delete the data. And when I press backspace key or delete key on the keyboard, it will get deleted. Now if, for example, if I removed anything accidentally, right, so and I want to bring it back, I want to bring that data back, so I can simply click on this arrow here, right, and the data will come back. Now let's suppose, for example, if I want to click or either I can go for this arrow, or I can simply click Control Z and the data will come back, right. So this was the major topic what we were like for example what we were going to study today. Now so now we understood that what happens when we enter numbers in the Excel. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly do like, share and subscribe to our channel MBA Beginner. And if you have any doubt or query, please feel free to mention that in the comment section below, so that we can reply as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.